Good morning, happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday, February 20th, 2019. It is 10:52 a.m. And as you can see, I'm dressed for a workout. I just got my shoes on, took an Instagram photo. I don't do that, just to be clear, I don't do that on every day that I work out, but most days, because I like capturing the days that I work out, especially for my fitness Instagram, which, by the way, if you're not following me, go on ahead and do so. What is going on here? Let's fix that. I don't know what the heck just happened there, but there was a piece in my hair. I don't know if you can see it still, but there was a piece that just wasn't staying right. And if I'm being honest, I don't really do anything straight to my hair on days that I use the treadmill, because I'm going to get it messed up anyway using the treadmill. But like I said, I don't know what just happened there, but I'm all set now. So for food today, prior to using treadmill, I am going to have, I think, I'm going to go for 2 of these babies. I think that's what I'm going to go for. And all I gotta do is peel them. I'm all set. I just gotta peel these. But then I gotta get into calling the dentist. I gotta call the dentist to make an appointment. So I'm gonna do that. But let's peel these. Okay guys, so I just got off the phone with the dentist, and I have 2 appointments scheduled for March. One early March 7th, and one later March 25th. 2 different times for 2 different things. One, I need a tooth removed. There's nothing wrong with it, but they want to make more room in my mouth. So we're going to do that, and then I just have my regular scheduled cleaning for my teeth to get cleaned, and that's the other appointment. So, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I am okay with that, and I'm okay with one of them being at 9:15 in the morning, which just means I do need to get up early, but that's okay. That's okay, as long as I don't have to miss another Tuesday out of work. I'm good. And I'm surprised I wasn't kept on hold that long this time. Maybe about 10 minutes. Sometimes I'm normally held on there for like close to 20, maybe even 25 minutes, because they're just on so many different calls. maybe, I mean, no longer than 20 to 25 minutes, but that's still a long time. Teeth. It's such an interesting subject, isn't it? Okay, so I just took thumbnail photos for this vlog. I always do that ahead of time, and then I obviously edit them when I'm editing the footage and things like that. Teeth. It's a very, very interesting subject, isn't it? Almost probably over. But I'm gonna finish my clementine, and I'm gonna go ahead on the treadmill. So that's an update. I made the appointment. I got 2 appointments for the price of 1. Basically, is what they say. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Where is this tablecloth going? I'm gonna go for a run. This poor tablecloth. It needs to be like, oh my gosh. There. Oh, my golly. I forgot to put this downstairs as my charger. Well, I hate the little, I don't know if you can see it, but that's what I hate about these clementines, is that they leave so much, most of the time, excess skin. I hate it. It drives me crazy. It's the only thing I don't like about these. That's like the one little complaint that I have about these. So, oh, maybe let the skin go over the table. Boo. It's 11:15, and I am ready to go on the treadmill. I'm ready. I'm just gonna wash my hands super quick. It's 3:46, and I just got back from the pharmacy across the street. My sister asked me to pick something up. I picked her up something similar to NyQuil, but it relieves all of your cold and flu symptoms. It's an antihistamine, I believe is how you pronounce this. It relieves, it's nighttime cold and flu, and relieves aches, fever, cough, sneezing, and runny nose. So, hopefully, this will help. Hopefully, that will help. It wasn't that expensive. Hopefully, it helps. But right now. I was just doing some editing before I left, but I remembered as I was going to get the mail, which there was none, that she had asked me to grab her some. So, I can be nice sometimes, you guys. I can be nice. So, now that stuff is taken care of, I'm going to take it upstairs. I'm not sure why I left it down here, or on your chair rather, but I'm going to take it upstairs and honestly probably get into some more comfier clothes. No, I haven't showered yet, but I just feel like, I did about an hour and a half and burned 335 calories on my workout today, and did 2.80 miles. So yeah, that's almost 3 miles. Halfway there to 3 miles and over 300 calories. Very close to 400 was burnt. So yeah, I did her a favor, and hopefully, like I said, hopefully this helps, because she hasn't really been feeling good. So